Hi, my name is Amrita. Today we are going to talk about distributed database. So, the first question to ask would be, what is the difference between centralized and distributed databases? Centralized database, data resides in one location. Distributed database, data resides in several locations. Did not get it yet? Let's look at an example. Meet Bala. He works at a bank and all his data is stored in this one computer. What do you think will happen if his computer breaks or stops working? Yes, you guessed it right. Bala will end up losing all his data and will not be in a position to do transactions. That's when he came up with a brilliant idea. Bala decided to store his data in multiple computers so that even if one computer stops working, the others are still up and running and the data is available for making transactions. Now, let's take a look at another scenario. Let's say you're going to a bank A in location B. You decide to talk to the banker. I own an account in this bank at location C. Could you please give me some details related to my account? But sadly, the banker is unable to because he's unable to access another site due to the traffic in the network. So, what have we learned about distributed database? Data is stored in multiple locations, unlike a centralized system, whereas increase in the network traffic is not a bottleneck, and the site data is available in multiple sites. Breakdown of one site does not matter and stop work. All this discussion brings us to the topic distributed data storage. Distributed data storage is divided into two: replication and fragmentation. Remember when Bala decided to store his data in multiple computers so that even if one computer stops working, the others are still up and running and the data is available making transactions? This is indeed called as data replication.
Created using Powtoon.